What are you doing, Uzair?
No.
Uzi, should we clean him up?
Yeah.
Come on then. First, let's open it up and see what's inside it because he's got no eyes. What do you think?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you got spiders and things on it. Oh my gosh. I can't.
Open it, Uzi. You can't get it opened.
Yeah.
Let me see. There you go. I got one open. I got another open. Who would like to do the honors?
Hopefully no spiders come out.
Do 2 hands, Uzi. I know you're super strong. What the... Guys! Look what we found inside.
A screwdriver.
A spanner.
That is disgusting. And look, a spider come out of it. Ew! Oh, it's got so much water in it.
There is waterlogged. Who dares me to open up the bag?
Me.
Let's see.
What we're doing over here now.
Oh!
Oh my goodness.
Let me see.
What do you think we should do with him, Zaya?
It's so yucky.
Let's clean him up. Let's put the lid on. Uzi, can you put the lid back on him? Put the lid back on him. What's wrong?
There's no spiders in the door.
Is it this way? Close the lids. Slam them shut for me. The dirt on your hands wet or something?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Feel it.
What happened to him? There you go. There you go. Perfect. Pull him over here, Uzi. Pull him over onto the grass. Let's pull him onto the grass. Come on, Henry. We'll take care of you now. Alright, let's clean him up then, Uzi. Turn on the hose pipe.
It's too hard, dude. It's too hard.
I know you can do it. Show us your strength. Go on, how strong are you?
No!
I don't know if this is going to be good for him, like. What are you doing, Uzair?
You know how clean he looks today. Can I go this way?
Clean up his face a little bit.
No, I won't put you that high, I promise.
What about the wheels and stuff?
Don't push my back. Don't push my back. I'll push your shoulder. Hi, I want to get high. No,
What do you think, Uzi?
no, not that.
Huh?
It's not of mud. No,
There's a lot of mud.
no, high.
Oh, you're getting the plug wet, Uzair. Uzi, it's dirty.
No, let me
Alright, I think that's enough. Let's. Oh, Uzi, at the back I can see spider webs. Look over there. I can see spider webs. Oh! Oh, stop spraying people. Stop, Uzi. That's enough now. You're going to soak your sister. Alright, let's turn the power or let's turn the water off. Sorry guys. Let's get him back for that. Beep beep. Got ya. Hurry up.
Cheers, bug. Oh, look at it. Look at them almost nice and dry already because I'm on the swing.
Are you nice and dry already?
Yeah, I'm so nice and dry.
Wow, that was super quick.
I'm nice and dry.
Alright, Ozzy.
I'm not so nice and
What should we
dry.
clean with this old Henry then? Do you want to plug him in to see if it works?
Yeah.
I don't think so. Maybe we'll try that.
We don't know a second one.
I think we try it. Let's let him dry and then we'll try to see if he still works.
Put them in the sun.
Okay, yeah, he's in the sun. He'll be fine there. He can dry up quickly, alright?
Yeah, right.
Alright then guys, like and subscribe and
Click
hit
the bell button
exactly to be notified.
and click the thumbs up button. Alligator.
See you later, alligators.